So I have two Yamahas over here. Got a 60 and a 50. They're basically the same engines, except you got to change the ECU and the airbox. So got them both in parts here. Sorry for the voice, I'm very tired. And I'm going to be showing you how I clean these, panels. So basically, I got tissues, I got a toothbrush, degreaser, and WD-40. So I just start with this one. Got like dog hair on it and shit. And, just need to clean. Shit. You're gonna grab your degreaser and just give it a little spray. Don't want to use too much. Careful it don't scratches because it's a good one. Once your degreaser's on, you have to wait like a couple seconds. And hold on. You know, I'll just degrease all of it. I broke the lid, so. I know this has nothing to do with an ft60, but, I'd rather do it because it's content and I haven't been uploading my tissues. Kind of like spray painting a clear coat. Right, so now that that's set in a bit, I'm gonna grab your WD-40 and just soak that in as well. Make sure it's, you're gonna use quite a lot of WD-40. Make sure you grab a big can like this, because one of those little cans ain't gonna last you with a full engine rebuild, especially if there's two engines, Okay, now that you've applied your WD-40, you want to grab your toothbrush or something. Just, obviously you want to brush it, rub, clean, Flip it over. Now you want to do the inside quite well on these because there's like grooves. I'm gonna cut it so I clean all of these here. Now that I've cleaned those with a brush, I'm gonna grab some more WD-40 and just spray it down to like, get all dirt one area for me to like wipe. And yeah, so now grab your tissue, dump out a bit of that WD-40, just dry it out, Should have some quite, clean results, but not fully clean because there's a lot of hard to reach areas in here. So you can't, get it squeaky clean, but you can get it, good enough so it doesn't just get all over your engine. But these ones won't get all over your engine anyways, because they're just panels for the outside to hold the engine mounts. But you don't want them to rust or get scratched, even though they are scratched. But if you have like a new engine and you want to clean it, and watch this video in it. So Thomas is going to be watching this video and clowning on me, but there's not a lot of these videos on these yams online. They just show American rubbish. Most of them are good, but like still, at least show something that comes up on your search results. I'm gonna do this for all 3 panels. So, see you in a bit. So I pretty much got these cleaned. I think this looks pretty nice, to be honest. For like, we're using like the lower half of the engine from a 50, and we're gonna use the actual engine from the 60 horsepower. Because, you know, so we got a 17-foot Wilson Flyer boat, and it needs a 64 stroke on the back rather than a 52 stroke. So, right, let's get to the installation then. I've got my socket set here. It's a small one, I got a bigger one, but this one's easier for like getting gear and stuff. So, gonna get a little extension on it as well. So it's, right, now is to know which panel is which. Guess it doesn't really matter, does it? Right. There we are. Sorted. I'm gonna zoom this camera in a bit so you can't see my face. Right now my hair's a mess because just woke up. I'm gonna actually use a screwdriver in there with the socket, and then I'll use a ratchet to tighten it up. Pretty sure I cleaned the bolts already. Yeah. Sprayed put a WD-40 in those bolts and holes. Just gonna like that. There we go. Just give it a quick wipe. Don't want it, dripping everywhere on the engine. There we are. That's better now. A nice smooth installation. There we are. Right, I'm gonna do this the other side there. Ah, no, it's using a bit. Right, so I got these panels on. They're looking nice now. That concludes the video. If you enjoyed, subscribe, give it a like, and see ya.